guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican Escovitch fish. Please stick around and watch this video. First, I'm gonna start by seasoning the snappers. I'm using snapper fish. You can use your favorite fish to escovitch. I've already washed the fish with some lime and vinegar and fresh water, because you know fish can be really fishy smelling, so you need to just wash them with some lime just to cut away some of the smell. We're gonna mix our seasoning, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of black pepper. Now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of complete seasoning. And I'm going to use a tablespoon of Adobe seasoning. I'm going to use a tablespoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to use a teaspoon of salt. And now we're just going to mix this up to combine all the flavors together. And now I'm going to add this to the fish. I'm gonna add it inside of the fish. So when you fry the fish, it can be tasty inside out. So now we're gonna heat our oil. I have the heat on high, and you just want to pour just enough oil in your favorite frying pan. And we're gonna let this heat up, because you don't want to put the fish into warm oil. You want this to be hot. So you just want this to be very, very, very hot. Around 350. If you got a thermometer, you can check it out. So we're gonna wait until this heat up, and then we add the fish. I'm gonna add a garlic to the oil just to give it some flavor, you know. So the oil is on 370, and this is a good temperature to fry the fish to the pot. Now I'm gonna turn these, and you want to fry them on both sides for at least 6 minutes. If you're turning them and they feel like they're sticking, just leave them, let them fry a little bit more before turning it. I'm gonna add the next fish. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make the escovitch sauce. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pot, and I'm gonna turn the heat on. You could use the oil that you use to fry the fish with also. Right here I have some yellow bell pepper, green, orange, and I have some onion. You want to cut your onions like this, or you can cut them however you like it, but this is the way we cut it in Jamaica when we're making escovitch fish. I have some scotch bonnet pepper, I have some julienne carrots, and I also have some pimento berries. So now I'm just gonna add all of this to the pot. We're gonna add the white vinegar. gonna add about a teaspoon of sugar to it. This is totally optional, just to cut the acidity of the vinegar. So you don't have to add sugar to yours if you don't like it. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of Badia complete seasoning. You can use your favorite all-purpose seasoning into yours. This is smelling so good. You just want to cook it for at least 5 minutes or so, just to have a bite to it. You don't want to overcook this because you want it to be nice and crunchy. So I taste it, and this is tasting pepper, but it's tasting good though. You want it to be spicy and acidic and flavorful. It's tasting really good. So now we're gonna just let this cool down for a bit and just add it to the fish. Add it on top of the fish. So this is basically finished, because you don't want to cook this any longer than this. So this is all you want it. You want it to be nice and tender, yet still hold its shape. You don't want to overcook the vegetables. So now I'm going to turn the stove off. So now we can add some of the sauce, some of the liquid onto the fish, like this, so that the nice sauce can marinate into the fish. And there you have it, guys. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Leave me a comment down below. Bye guys.